So today I wanted to present a solution. This is going to be a 12-volt soft washing solution to replace either a petrol powered soft washing pump or replacing a dosatron. This is going to be a very much a smaller solution compared to like one of our complete builds. So I just want to get straight into it. So this is essentially the system that we have right now. I'll quickly play the video. So we base this 12-volt system around a proportioning unit that we do build ourselves, and it's coupled up to a system like this. So this is our complete skid unit. So it's an aluminium frame with stainless steel hose reels, pressure washing abilities with a 21 litre a minute Honda powered engine for a 21 litre a minute pump. We've got two soft washing tanks on there. We've got the raw material that we will be able to mix ourselves for a proportioning unit. And then we've got a little batch tank that we can use for like low flow situations, like putting on a roof cleaning mix. Traditionally, people would use a 12-volt backpack for this, but this is like a more reliable solution. It's like an all-in-one solution that you can put in the back of your van. So this is just it working right now. And there we go. So it comes down to the nozzle, and there you go. Fire your soft washing solutions. You can hook a water fed pole up to this. Now, this is what the idea is now. So we want to replace a engine powered petrol soft washing pump. And here we go. Let's just get straight into the presentation. So it must have the ability to connect to various different barrels. So the John, the chap that is actually interested in this particular unit, would like us to be able to connect up to different soft washing tanks or tanks of soft washing solutions. John has been in this game for many years, so I think he said it was like, I'm sure he said 20 years. He's got experience in roofing, and he actually does the roof cleaning as well. So he just wanted the ability to connect to his different soft washing solutions. The idea is that he would be able to connect with like banjo, quick connection fittings. The unit would have its own battery and pump. We're going to be using the ideas that come from this system. So quick connection ports, easy charging, and a simple design. So here's the concept or idea. So what we were going to do was we were going to have the stainless steel box. Inside that box, we're going to fit the NOCO battery charger. So all you've got to do is at the end of the day is just plug it in. You don't have to be pulling batteries out and doing all sorts of stuff. Everything's just connected to the battery, and all you've got to do is run an extension cable to it, plug it in. We've got this stainless steel box. We're going to have the 12-volt pump mounted. Again, quick connection ports. If you ever need to replace it, just undo the plug, take the pump off, put it back on again. We'll also have a flow controller as well. We can have that as like a remote control, so you can start the pump remotely from a distance. There's the controller. So the benefits of this system, all of the wet parts of the system will be fitted on the outside of the box itself. All of the electrical and the charging components will be on the inside of the box, so they're safe and out of the way, nice and dry. All the electrical components will be on plugs, so it's easy maintenance. And in the future, if John or somebody else wanted to upgrade this system, you'd be able to fit a hose reel onto the top of the box, and we can even improve upon this current small system. So the specs and pricing, stainless steel battery box, super high quality stainless steel battery box. We don't use any low quality stuff. Everything's going to be high quality stuff. 12 litre, 21 litre per minute bleach pump, NOCO battery charger, flow controller, all of the fittings using quick connections. And then we would have a 5 meter length of suction hose, so you can put that into your solutions that you want to use. And then you'd have a delivery hose, 5 meter length of that, so that can attach to your own hose reel, or you can just go straight into a lance if you wanted. But ideally, this should be hooked up to a hose reel. So the price of this would be 1332 plus VAT. That's basically 1600 quid all in. I do have the idea of improving upon this system as well. So we could have add-ons. We could have the stainless steel hose reel fitted to the top. This would be 450 quid plus VAT. And then the blend manifold. So we could actually turn this whole unit into a proportioning unit as well. And you'd have essentially all of the brains on here. And all you'd have to do is connect it to your bleach water and soap, and you are ready to be soft washing. And that would be a price of 3235 all in, or 2696 without the VAT. So these are a few options for at least being able to add soft washing to your system, and it would really replace using like Honda pumps and petrol powered machines. This would also replace having to use like a dosatron. So as long as you've got water, chemical and surfactant, and your battery's charged, you're completely independent of having to rely on customers' water pressure. So I think that's a really nice benefit of this system. So I wanted to present this idea to you. John, I know this is presentation for you, really, based on the needs and the experience that you had as a contractor, roofing and actually cleaning roofs. But if anybody else was interested in a system just like this, it's something we can do. So if you're interested, just reach out. I'll put a link down below to a contact form. Just mention that you've seen this video in the contact form, and be able to pretty much help you with a custom build. I'm Dan from Hero Softwash. Hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Peace.